one place at the mall. I think I've done an ASMR on it before. They got freeze-dried candy at Serenity Farms. They got something like this. I mean, I didn't. They got like different colors of these or something, but I'm pretty sure they had this though. But right now, like, speaking about the restaurant, it's kind of like a restaurant in that, but speaking about Serenity Farms, they're closed for the summer. Then they're gonna open back up during the fall time. Cause see, I guess they go do things during like car shows and fairs and stuff. But it's weird. They had like other people working for them. Like I think it's mostly their family and probably a few friends. But you think they would have stayed open? You know, no matter if it's the summertime or whatnot, so they could get business in the mall. Because they did pretty good. They've had, people come up to their counters to get stuff. And then they had like a booth thing at the other end by Horrocks. And they did pretty good there too. But guess they decided to close up for the summer. So they can go do things for like cart shows and fairs and stuff. And I think at the fair, they're going to be there at the Calhoun County Fair in Marshall next month. But yeah, I might do some of these for my regular channel and for my ASMR one. Did I do a opening fan mail? I know who sent this, and hey, thank you. Because person commented on one of my videos on my regular channel a couple days ago and said, expect something, I think it was probably for Saturday, but my dad just checked this thing yesterday. So hey, awesome. So what you guys up to on this good old Saturday morning? Me, not too much, just about to get around for work here on the short. Just thought I'd do a ASMR opening up. Just drink some coffee. I got a video I gotta upload here soon. Trying these mint cookies, mint Oreo cookies that I got from Meijer a couple days ago. And it was like in the upper 80s, like maybe around 90s or something yesterday. Boy, it was a humid one yesterday because got out after work and wow. Whew. I think today's supposed to be another hot one. I know we had some storms that rode in late last night. Yeah, today's, well, it's not the last day for a coworker, but this coming Saturday is their last day, but, I got Thursday, Friday, Saturday off from, the casino, so I won't see the person anymore. The person's gonna be going to work in a new job, so today's my last day seeing this person. Pretty cool, awesome person this person has been. Me and a few other ones are gonna get a picture taken with her. Well, see, there's this hotel downtown. It used to be McCamley Plaza, but it's Doubletree Hilton now. And one of our old bosses is running that now. Well, running the hotel part. So he's so some people from our department is leaving to go there, or some people are leaving from our department to transfer out to this department, that department, but what happens, people, move on to different things and stuff. And my red cup. Play with this bubble. Play with this. About to end this ASMR video. About to start getting around for work and that, but until one of my next ASMR videos, y'all take it easy, have a good one. See ya.